If you want to know how to use this Apple's Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter, I'm going to show you completely. It's priced like $50. I will give this product link, Amazon link in the description. If you want, you can buy that. Actually, it will be used for multiple purposes. Here you can see the Lightning connector. This is for output and this is for input, and this is for additional power supply for charging the input devices. In the diagram also you can see Lightning and USB 3 port. Actually, it is just normal USB port, USB, and this 3 mentioned version 3.0 like that stuff. So it's a high speed USB port, and this is Lightning charging port. You need to place your Lightning connector here for giving the additional power supply to the connected devices, I mean these input devices. So basically it used for to connect to your camera directly to your iPhone to transfer photos and videos. Here you can see the camera will directly connected using cables to this adapter. I show you everything. First we are going to connect the flash drive. Just connect your flash drive into this USB port and take your iPhone and connect this directly into your Lightning port, I mean charging port. Then open files, and here you can see Kingston, which is my Kingston flash drive. So this is, if you buy this, there is no need to buy a OTG for your Lightning iPhone. After this you can directly transfer the photos if you wish. Just copy paste like that stuff. Just open here and long press paste. Just like that. So to remove this, just minimize this and close the recent and just unplug this setup. So if you want to connect your SD card, for me I'm using micro SD, you can use any SD cards. So just directly connect this SD card to your SD card reader and connect this to the USB port and just plug it. Open files. Here you can see no name, which is my SD card. So you can transfer the files. After this you can directly transfer the files from iPhone to SD card or SD card to your iPhone. It's pretty much same process. After this just close the recent and just remove that. And using this adapter we can charge your iPhone in the backup situation. Like you can charge your iPhone from another Android phone or any iPad or any other iPhone too. I will show you. For now I am going to use my iPad to charge my iPhone. You can also use the Android phone, or if you have any another iPhone you can also use that. For me it's from iPad. To do this process you just need this USB A to USB C charging cable. First connect this USB C charging cable to the iPad and take the another end and plug this into the USB port of the adapter, just like that. Then directly connect this Lightning in to your iPhone. Yeah, now you can see the charging indication. And finally we can use this adapter to transfer files from your hard drive to your iPhone, iPhone to your hard drive. If you want to know how to do that, means watch these videos.